Eritrean national Azeb Mitzan Gebra Hiyawat from Chicago donate $100,000, yes you heard it right, $100,000 for fights the COVID-19 and to protect her people from the coronavirus inside Eritrea. In Chicago, the southwest corner of Lunt and Ravenswood Avenues was renamed as Azeb Gebra Hiyawat Way in honor of this Eritrean woman. But who is Azeb Gebra Hiyawat? It all began in Rogers Park. Is it really true? I don't know, said Azeb Mitzan Gebra Hiyawat, in disbelief after her family surprised her with the street renaming Wednesday. It's way beyond my thinking. Azeb opened her daycare called Eyes on the Future on Loyola Avenue with just a few students. Then, 10 years ago, she moved to the storefront at 6969 North Ravenswood Avenue. Now the center has 280 students and has expanded to the building's 2 other units, tripling its size. At Eyes on the Future Child Development Center, they offer a wide array of school readiness programs for young children between the ages of 3 months and 12 years. They are committed to helping a child become more thoughtful, creative, and confident. They aim to provide quality care and education through research-based appropriate curriculum, programs and family-oriented initiatives for the purpose of promoting school readiness in children ages 3 months to 12 years old. They envision a center whose staff and families served represent the vibrant diversity of its community. They strive to make Eyes on the Future Child Development Center a center where all children can feel safe, loved, and given the best start to their education regardless of race, ethnicity, religion, and socioeconomic status. For this reason, they make every effort to provide quality programming through quality enhancement initiatives and partnerships on the local, state and federal level. This center, established in 1994 by Azeb Mitzan Gebra Hiyawat, Eyes on the Future Child Development Center, is a private child development center that proudly serves children and families in the Rogers Park community in Chicago. Mrs. Gebra Hiyawat, owner and CEO of the center, left her position as Vice President of Operations to pursue her dream of serving and equipping low-income children and families for success. Eyes on the Future Child Development Center is currently licensed to serve 213 children and 60 school-age children. And the business has gone international. 5 years ago, Mitzan Gebra Hiyawat and a business partner opened a sister school in Lagos, Nigeria, which now offers classes through high school and will soon open a health clinic. Eyes on the Future is licensed by the state of Illinois and has received the Gold Circle of Quality, an award of excellence for infant and toddler services. This award is recognized by the state. Azeb Mitzan Gebra Hiyawat immigrated to the United States with her husband, who was attending the University of Chicago. But they couldn't return home to Eritrea after war broke out there in the 60s. While working in the banking industry and taking her children to a Wrigleyville daycare, she decided to start out on her own. So she founded Eyes on the Future. As the daycare's 20-year anniversary approached, her daughter, Semrit Smith, wanted to do something special for her mom. As her request, Ald. Joe Moore, 49th, introduced an ordinance in February renaming the street corner. Since then, it's been a top-secret affair. The hardest thing was keeping it a secret. Semrit said the city installed the new street signs Tuesday while Azeb Mitzan Gebra Hiyawat was away. On Wednesday, Mitzan Gebra Hiyawat's students, teachers and family surprised her with the honorary signs. "They really tricked me," Azeb said. "I want to pinch myself."